everyone, today's video is going to be on Mars in Sagittarius. So what happens when the planet that is of fiery nature and your ambition and drive when it's in the mutable fiery sign of Sagittarius. So keep watching. Before I get started, I wanted to let you guys know that I do natal chart readings. So basically I look at your birth chart and I analyze what kind of challenges you may be facing in your life, and I give you a step-by-step action plan that you can use to overcome these challenges. I also do relationship compatibility readings. These are also called synastry chart readings. So if you're trying to get into a relationship or if you're already in one and you want to know what the relationship is going to be like, I can do a synastry chart reading for you as well. And I also do tarot card readings. So if you're facing challenges related to your career, finance, health, relationships, or any other aspect of your life, you can contact me for a tarot card reading. Recently, I've started doing relationship counseling. This is general relationship advice. It doesn't have to do with astrology really. So it can be any relationship with your parents, your romantic partner, your children, your family, your social life, your friends, any relationship. And I can provide you counseling and general advice for that as well. So to contact me, drop me a message on my Facebook page. That's facebook.com/Venosianscorp. And you can also drop me an email at astroluck111@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I posted the links in the description box below, so be sure to check it out and contact me. Okay, so let's get started. Mars in Sagittarius. So first of all, what is Mars? Mars is the planet of drive. It's the planet of ambition, action. It's a masculine, aggressive planet. That's why it's ruled by Ares, who's the god of war. So the energy of Mars is that of a soldier in the battlefield. They have a mission. They need to accomplish certain things and get the job done. That's the energy of Mars. Sagittarius is a fire sign. It's a mutable fire sign. It rules the ninth house in the zodiac, which is all about spirituality, philosophy, higher learning, seeking the truth. Sagittarius is very much about the truth. And Sagittarius, the symbol is the centaur, which is basically half human, half horse. So when you have somebody who's got Mars in Sagittarius, you are most likely a person who is quite impulsive. The thing is, Sagittarius is a fire sign, but it's also mutable. So when these people get angry, it can be an outburst of anger. When they get angry, it's going to be all of a sudden, it's going to be an outburst of anger. And they usually say a lot of harsh things at that time, things they don't really mean. And that's because Sagittarius is known for its bluntness. It's a blunt sign. They are about the truth, remember. So, they don't sugarcoat things. When they have to say something, if they're angry at you, they're going to tell you the blunt, honest truth. And that can hurt sometimes. So when these people get angry, they can say a lot of hurtful things. And then later they regret that. So just as they are very quick to anger, they're also very quick to cool down. So they don't really keep it in their heart or anything. It's just they flare up in the moment, they say some bad things, and then they forget about it. So that's pretty much Mars and Sagittarius. Now, Mars has to do with ambition and drive. So the way these people go about their goals, they are very goal focused. Sagittarius, if you look at the symbol of Sagittarius, it's the centaur, and they have an arrow, a bow and arrow that is pointing out, straight towards the sky. So you automatically get the picture that they are goal oriented. They're always reaching forward. They're always looking at the next thing. What next can they achieve and accomplish? So it's a very positive, optimistic sign also. So when they are pursuing their goals and ambitions, they have laser focus. They are very willpower. They have a very strong willpower and ability to focus on their goals. And because they are forward thinking in nature, they don't really dwell on the past. They are easily able to move out of any challenges that they had in the past and then focus on the future. Um, One of the drawbacks of having a Mars in Sagittarius is because, as much as they have resolve, as much as they have a lot of willpower in them to achieve goals and succeed, they also have this drawback that because Sagittarius is a mutable sign, they can sometimes be changeable when it comes to their goals. Like they may not stick to their projects continuously. They may have changing goals. So, Sagittarius is very easily distracted, just like Gemini, the opposite sign. So, Sagittarius likes to look at the next shiny thing. So, when it comes to Mars, their goals keep changing. So let's say 1 week or 10 days, they may focus on something and they may really be focused on that and give it everything they've got. They're pretty hardcore about their goals. When they're focused on something for that time, they're very, very focused. But then after that, they sort of lose interest and then something else catches their fancy and then they decide to pursue the next goal. So that can be a drawback with Mars and Sagittarius in the sense that they don't have the resilience and the perseverance to stick through it. Like they get bored quite easily, just like Gemini. They get bored quite easily, and then they may lose focus because of that. Mars and Sagittarius, as much as they're known for speaking the truth, they can also exaggerate a lot. Like Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter, which is the planet of expansion. So when these people speak, they can tend to exaggerate facts a lot, blow up things out of proportion, or say something that's really not what happened. So that means that these people can sometimes come across as being a little bit flaky, even though they may not be that way. But then, um, when they pursue their goals or when they're trying to get something done at the workplace or in their business or whatever, they can seem more confident than they actually are. Um, like I always say in all my videos, it depends on the whole chart. So because Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter, you need to also look at Jupiter and what sign the Jupiter is placed in, what house also, because that's going to determine how these people really express their anger, what the flavor of their Mars in Sagittarius is going to be like, because a lot of factors come into play. It's not just uh, one particular sign in isolation. So, but in general, Mars and Sagittarius people, they're very optimistic. Like when they have goals in life, they always believe that they can achieve them. And that's one of the reasons why they're successful. They don't really think in a pessimistic way. Like a Mars in, say, I don't know, some of the other signs, they may be a little bit more pessimistic. They may think twice before taking on a new task. But for a Mars in Sagittarius, it's like, why not? Why not give it a try? I mean, they always have that sense of optimism at the back of their mind that this is going to work out no matter what. And that's one of the reasons why they're successful because usually you attract what you give out to the universe. And a Mars in Sagittarius usually gives off very positive vibes. They're very confident about themselves. Even if they're not confident about their own skills, they're confident that they will achieve whatever they've set out to do. And the other thing is because Sagittarius is a mutable sign, they tend to go with the flow a lot. Like they don't really fuss with the small stuff. Like a Mars in Gemini would probably obsess a lot about details because Gemini is very detail oriented, but Sagittarius is not. Sagittarius is the opposite. It's about looking at the big picture. So even if there are obstacles that come up in the way of achieving their goals, they're not going to fret over it too much unless of course it really tests their patience and yes, then sometimes they may have outbursts of anger, but otherwise I think they're very um, they like to go with the flow and they like to believe that everything good is going to happen to them, and because of this belief that everything uh, is going to turn out for the best, that's why they usually are very successful in what they do. Also Sagittarius, if you look at the bow and arrow, it's a very focused sort of an energy. So whenever they whenever they are focused on a particular goal, during that period of time when they're not getting bored with that particular goal or ambition, they're going to be very driven, very focused. Like if they've said that, okay, I'm going to wake up at 5 a.m. every day, or I'm going to do, um, you know, focus on something that I've decided every week, they are actually going to do that. They're going to set out time every single day and make sure it's done. So they are very consistent as long as they don't get bored with something. And that's why I feel with Mars and Sagittarius, it's important to keep variety. While you're pursuing your goals, make sure you make it interesting. Make sure you treat it like an adventure. Because for Sagittarius, everything is like an adventure. They like to look at life as an adventure. So even when it comes to their goals and ambitions, um, they like to think of it as one big new project, new task, new adventure. It's full of excitement and possibility for them. It's sort of this wide eyed, childlike view uh, when it comes to their goals and ambitions. So that's one of the reasons why they like to give it everything they've got because they really look at it with a lot of excitement, a lot of fun. So that's another thing. For a Mars in Sagittarius, They should ensure that when they're trying to pursue something, that they make it fun. They make it a fun experience. Because the moment it becomes tedious, the moment it becomes strict, authoritarian, too task oriented, anything that sort of cramps their style or makes it very rigid and not fun, that's when the Mars in Sagittarius is going to get bored and lose focus. So, my advice is if you're trying to get something done, Mars in Sagittarius, break it up into goals which you can make into a fun activity or fun adventure. Maybe reward yourself every time you do something that you said you would do. That's a fun way to keep the interest going and just make the whole experience fun. I think that's fun and adventure is a very big theme with Sagittarius energy. And with Mars in Sagittarius, it's no different. So guys, that's my take on Mars in Sagittarius. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. You can click on the subscribe button at the bottom of this video. And you can also click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that whenever I post a new video, you get a notification in your inbox and you can stay tuned to all of my latest updates. So thanks a lot for watching guys. My next video is going to be on Mars in Capricorn. So keep watching and stay tuned. Thanks guys. Bye.